Good morning, students. Welcome to GK class. And today's topic for GK is fragrance in the wind. So, this topic is related to beautiful and sweet smelling flower. So, let's find out what you have to do in this chapter. Children, you have to circle the flower name in the word search grid that is given here, as you can see. And after circling all these names, searching out all these names, you can write the name of these flower and complete the spellings here given. Let's find out the name of this flower first. Children, I am writing the name of these flower on the picture of it, but you have to write them on their correct space. You have to circle the grid first, and after completing the circle, you also write the name of these flower and complete the spelling. So let's do the first one. The first picture is of orchid. The name of this flower is orchid. Second one, this beautiful yellow flower is of daffodil. Then after daffodil, there is another beautiful flower. Its name is tulip. This is tulip, children. Then after tulip, you can see this one. It's a dahlia. Then after dahlia, next one is poppy flower. After poppy flower, you can see this purple one. This is pansy. The white one is mogra. And the last one is of petunia. So in this way, you have to identify them and you have to circle them in the grid given here, like dahlia, tulip, and after that you will also complete the spelling here. Now let's move on to the next exercise. This is a quiz round. The first quiz is, national bird of India is? The answer is peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Second one is, ant has 6 legs. Third question, when the traffic light is green, you start moving. Which mammal can fly? The right answer is bat. Next question is, when a speed breaker is on the way, what does driver do? He slows the vehicle. How many legs do the birds have? Birds have 2 legs. Where will you go to mail your letters? The answer is post office. Which bird with red color beak can see behind? The answer is parrot. My friend's name is John. He is a Christian. Where will he go to pray? He'll go to church. Stick nobles is written on the walls of the temples. A child whose parents are no more is called an orphan. And the last question is, baby of which animal grows inside the pouch? And the correct option is kangaroo. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.